When it comes to long-term temperatures, there's really two or three big factors that we look for, especially if you're located in the eastern part of the United States. So a couple of these big global patterns we're going to be looking at, we call them teleconnections. One of the big ones there is ENSO, which at this moment tends to lean towards a weak La Nina season, meaning cooler than normal waters over the equatorial Pacific. Another couple things that we'll be looking at with this pattern in place, especially if you're in the southeastern part of the United States or the eastern part of the United States, are the North Atlantic Oscillation and the Arctic Oscillation. These two factors will likely play a bigger role in the temperatures we see long term. And in fact, looking longer term at some of the models and ensembles, it looks like we're going to see cooler than normal temperatures that's going to take over a good chunk of the country from the central part of the United States into the southeast. This is looking longer term for the next 10 days or so. So these are two big factors, the North Atlantic Oscillation and also the Arctic Oscillation, both of those meaning they're going to be negative as we go a little bit longer term. That should bring in cooler than normal temperatures. We start this week out with the warmer than normal temperatures Monday and kind of keeping the warmer temperatures for Tuesday. But notice as we go longer term for your Thanksgiving holiday, we start to usher in some of the cooler temperatures with these big bubbles of air that are actually going to be influencing the weather that we see across much of the country.